Today we will be going over how to create a simple report in ServiceNow. Individual users can create custom reports that they can access at any time. Managers and supervisors can also schedule reports for email, delivery, or a publisher report that can be accessed via web browser. This video will concentrate on creating a simple report. In this case, we'll create a report showing a list of incidents that are in the service desk queue. On the left-hand navigation, you're going to go down to Reports, and then there is also a View and Run. Once you click on that, you'll be entered into the main reporting screen. You can see that the left side of the screen is a listing of global reports that's available here. These reports can be run and viewed by any ITIL users. The right side of the screen has two areas: My Saved Reports and My Group Reports. This is where you find the reports after you're creating them. To create a simple report, go to the top of the screen and click New button. Now that we bring up this screen, what you want to do is enter the name of the title of the report that you want. In this case, we went ahead and called it Service Desk Incidents. And then you want to select who you want to see and run the report. Just you or your assignment group members. I don't want other groups to see this report right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and make sure it's me. Then you want to select the type of report format you want. Notice that there are a large number of formats available. For this report, we will stick with List. So the type here, we'll click List. Next, you want to specify the database table that you will use to pull from your data source. For a list of incidents, we will go ahead and select the incident table. As you can see here, there is a very large number of tables that you can choose from, but they all don't all contain the same information. So you must be very careful to select the correct table for your report. In this case, it is the incident report. And there it is. We now want to specify how the data is to be presented. Here we have the ability to select how the data will be grouped based on the field in the table. We will group this report by assigned to. In this way, our report will show us the number of incidents and who is responsible for them. Just to the right of that, you will find what we commonly call a slush bucket. It's a selection area where you can specify the specific information you want your report to contain. There's a default number of fields already selected. You can either add or remove fields as you want. Notice the number of available fields are different colors and have plus signs next to them. This indicates that there is information that comes from different related fields. This is an advanced feature and will not be covered here. I like the default content that we have here selected, so I'm not going to make any changes to the columns. Now we need to make the report specific to the service desk, and we do that by using the filters. Since the service desk is an assignment group, we want to make the selection indicating that we want the records where the assignment group is equal to the service desk. So if I click on the filter, I will choose the assignment group is equal to, and we'll go ahead and type in service desk. At this point, we can run the report and get a result. So go up here and click Run Report. At this point, the basic report is defined and we've seen the results. And here they are. And notice you can expand and get a little bit more details on all the tickets. Now we should save the report for future use by selecting the Save button all the way at the top and click on Save. If you remember, I specified that I should be the only person to see my report, so we can see the report in my saved report. So let's go ahead and go back to view and run reports. And there, under my saved reports, is the service desk incidents. Now at any time you can click on this and run the report. You now know how to create a simple report in ServiceNow. Obviously, there are hundreds of ways to compile and display the data. With experience, you'll be able to take advantage of all of them. Thank you, and have a good day.